What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be showing you how to add the Phantom wallet with the Bullx. For that the process is very easy and simple. All you have to do is to open up your Bullx website and then go to the wallet manager. So in the wallet manager all you have to do is to go and click on the add wallet option right over here. So here what you have to do, you can go with a different sort of chain type, and you can also go with a Solana. So in the Solana, all you have to do is to write the name of the wallet, which is Phantom, and enter the wallet address. For that, we're gonna go to the Phantom wallet, which is in my Google Chrome extension. Here, all I have to do is to go to the receiving end and select Solana as the chain in which I'm gonna go and make the transactions for the withdrawal from the Bullx website. So just copy the address and paste it over here in the enter wallet address section, and then tap on the add wallet option. So here you guys can see that the Phantom wallet has now been added to my Bullx website. So here all I have to do is to wait for 1 hour to because Bullx takes like 1 hour to activate your wallet. So after 1 hour the wallet will be activated. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful.